Hey guys, this is Karol yet with another affiliate marketing video, and today we are going to look at how to sell products on Clickbank. Alright, I'm going to give you 3 things that you need to do in order to sell consistently Clickbank products and just to sell them more and more. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it straight away with our first tip, first thing, which is going to be choosing a good product. Now, the good product means it is a valuable product for the customer. Alright, so the first thing is going to be valuable product. Alright, now why is it so important? Why do I stress this out as the number one thing? There are a lot of products on Clickbank, especially, alright, as it is a big affiliate network. There are a lot of kind of like crappy products that are high selling or high converting, alright? And I don't want you to choose a product just because it's a high converting offer, alright? You want to choose a product that is also very valuable for the customer itself. Now, why should you care? Alright, you might say, alright, Karol, I don't really care if the customer gets anything from it as long as I get the commission, right? Well, you do want to care because first of all, if the customer is not happy, they're going to ask for a refund. So your commission is just going to be taken away from you. All right. And number 2, which is more important, is that people, or I would probably better say internet doesn't forget. All right. So if you kind of like associate yourself with crappy products, that's what people will see you on the internet. All right. That, okay, this guy is selling crappy stuff, I'm not gonna buy anything from him, alright? And even after some time, when you change your products, it's still going to hurt you in the long run, alright? So if you want this affiliate marketing business to be your long-term business, alright, you want to develop it and build it for yourself for the long run, you want to associate yourself with good, valuable products for the customers. And honestly, there is nothing better than a satisfied customer, right? That builds the trust between you and your customer. So whenever now they know that, okay, I've seen the results from this product, it helped me a lot. This guy is genuine, he helped me a lot with this product. So now, whenever you send them anything else, which is either a complementary product to whatever they're doing or something other, you know, that is helpful in that niche, all right? Now they're going to be more inclined to buy something from you because now they have the proof that whatever you're promoting is helpful, alright? So that's number 1 thing, valuable product. Number 2 is to choose a product that is good for you as an affiliate marketer, alright? And we're going to have a look at that through something called a value ladder, alright? So let me just write it over here. We want a product that has a value ladder. Alright, now what does it actually mean, a value ladder? It's going to be something like this. Okay, let's just say it's a kind of like a staircase. Alright, now let's imagine you have a product that costs, I don't know, $40. Alright, you have a product that is, actually use, $40. Alright, here is your front end product for $40. And you're offered 75% commission for this product. Therefore, if you sell this product, you will get a commission worth of $30, right? I think that's 75%. So you get $30 from this product as your commission. Now, if the product is pretty much just this and nothing else, that's kind of like the worth of your customer, $30. You will not earn anything else from this customer than your $30, alright? Makes sense, right? Now, however, if the product has a value ladder, that's going to mean that this product is going to have some upsells, some upgrades, as I like to call it, alright? Or autos, you know, you've probably seen that, OTOs. So that's gonna mean that once the customer buys this $40 product, they're going to be offered from these product owners another product or upsell, right? An upgrade, which is gonna be worth, I don't know, let's say $100, all right? Then they're going to be offered something worth of $300, all right? Another one is going to be $500. here is $1,000, and so on. There is sky's the limit in this, guys. All right. Now, the important thing for you as an affiliate marketer is what kind of a commission, or if you will get a commission from these upgrades, right? If the product has the value ladder, you will get a commission from all of these upsells, right? So that's very important, because now, even though you're not gonna probably get 75% of commission, just like here, you can still get either 30% or 50% from all of these upsells, which means, you know, 50% from $1,000 is $500, all right? So now your commission from one customer raised from $30 to $530, right? Makes sense. Now, you will get commissions from all of these. So if the customer buys literally everything, you will get, I don't know how much is it, almost maybe 1,000, I don't know, close to $1,000, right, in commissions. And that's the value ladder you want this to have in the product you're promoting, because that's how you maximize so-called buyers or customers worth, all right, or the buyer worth, yeah. Which means, you know, you want this maximum commissions to be as high as possible, all right? You don't want to stay at here at $30. You want to go up here to at least $500 and so on, all right? So that's number 2. Choose a product that has value ladder. Now, you can find this value ladder either through Clickbank. It is, you will need to go on the affiliate page, all right, directly for affiliates. And if there is no such information, then just send an email directly to the product owner, and they should definitely reply to you with all the information about the value ladder, all right? They will definitely let you know, and that's completely normal to ask for this, all right? So that's the value ladder. Now, the third thing and the last thing is going to be, you will need to use your own personalized conversion model, all right? So let me just put it over here, conversion model. Now, what do I mean by conversion model? Conversion model means that, you know, many people will tell you just to drive traffic to the page, all right, to the sales page, which they can say it's a high converting page. You know, the only thing you need to do is just to drive the traffic. That's just not gonna work for you, all right? It might have worked in maybe 2005 when internet was new, but here now it doesn't work. You will need to drive it through your own personalized conversion model, all right? And this model is something where you put yourself into it, all right? You have your traffic, you're driving your traffic through something, then you put them into your own creation, all right? Something that you create, all right? And then that's afterwards, you send them to the offer afterwards, all right? So first you kind of like warm them up with yourself, all right? You put some content out there, you show them who is behind the offer, all right? You give them a chance to connect with you and create a relationship with you, all right? And then afterwards you send them to the offer. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail in this video. I have other YouTube videos purely about this conversion model, so you can check them out, all right? But it's very important to do something unique, all right? Something personalized, something that you create of your own, you know, put yourself out there, you know, put yourself into this model, all right? And show something and give a value to people, all right? Give them information. Now, I cannot really go into too much detail on this thing, all right, in this short YouTube video, but that's why I've created a 4-day video series where I go literally in a great detail about how to create not only this conversion model, but also how to choose the products, how to step up, and you know, how to drive traffic, you know, how to start with affiliate marketing, what to do, what kind of tools to use, and all of that stuff, all right? So if you're interested in that, it's completely free, you get full access to it, all right? So if you want that, go ahead, click the link in the description below, you will get full access to it, and I will see you inside over there. If not, completely fine, I will see you in the next videos. Thank you again for watching, give me a thumbs up if you liked the video, let me know in the comments below what you think about it, and I will see you in the next videos. Bye guys!